Welcome, Thrifted Trash to Treasure, third Thursday Thrift Flip Open Invite. Hello everyone, Beth with Pearl Treasure Designs here once again with today's challenge collaboration. We're going right into the crafting today, but we will have more to say about our wonderful hosts and co-hosts later on in the video. So let's head to the craft room and see what's cooking. DIY number 1. I'm using for this Waverly Chalk White and Jot White Glue and Waverly Chalk Truffle. So I did pre-paint this little stool in the truffle, and I'm now coating it with the Jot glue from the dollar store. I like it better. It's a little bit thinner than Elmer's, and it does a really nice job with the crackle effect, and it's really inexpensive. You'll get to take a look and see what this crackle method looks like on the bottom of the stool in just a sec. So go ahead and watch this out while I get ready for that. So as you can tell, the white is going on. This was a pretty quick process, even though I've sped up the film for you. Y'all get the idea of what to do and how to do it. So that first coat, literally, you only put 1 or 2 brush strokes across the glue and leave it be. So I did let the rest of it dry and crackle, and now we're doing the top with a really generous amount of glue, and then I will wipe off any excess that I think is too much, and then we'll go into adding the white chalk paint to this project so you can see that in real time what that looked like. It's really fascinating once you hit the glue gun to the top, how you can see the cracks start to form and how wide they are. I love how this came out. DIY number 2. Y'all will have to forgive me, I lost the video on this. This is the finished product. This was a steel recipe book or book holder with page weights, and it was very rusty, so I painted it black and distressed it with white chalk paint, and the final result is what you see here. I absolutely love this thing, so check this out in my final reveal. A great shout out to Third Thursday Thrift Flips Open Invite with our hosts, the Rusted Willow, host Rustic Chicks Design, and co-host MB Gray Designs. Go ahead, check out the links in my description box to each of these channels with some amazing talent. Go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to their channels. We could all use the little help, right? DIY number 3. I had picked this duck or goose bucket up at the Betty Griffith thrift store, and it was in pretty bad shape. It was brass, and I decided to chalk paint this white and distress it with black ink from Waverly. And then you'll get to see, I did paint the inside and the outside and the underside because of the condition of the brass. So you'll get to see more of this at the final reveal. The final reveal. Thanks for watching. A big shout out to all my subscribers. If you're not subscribed, it's free. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button and share with all your friends. I really would appreciate that. Now, for all of you that might need spiritual support, please go to PastorBethKelley@gmail.com, or you can also find me at PastorBethKelley at Beth Kelley Podcast on YouTube. Listen, folks, we're all in this together.